Hi, it's Lola. As the fall season has come, today I'm going to do some burgundy shade of makeup. I put moisturizer on my skin to get ready to start this makeup. And first of all, foundation. BB cream. I'm using the BB cream right now. Covering the redness. I'll be using this shading stick that has a bit of like red brown shade. And we'll be giving a bit more of detail contour. And we'll be giving more detail using smaller brush. And eyeshadow. I'll be using this like pale pink color right here for the base. And for the second shade, I'll be using this the caramel color, like light caramel color from it's from Urban Decay. And for the shade on the eye, I'm going to use this dark brown. Next, I'm going to do the eyelashes. Curl your lashes first. And apply the first coat. So there was first coat. I'm going to draw eyebrow and I'm going to make some arch this time. Hope this works. And lighter in the and let's do the alright, and I'll be blended by using the screw brush for the eyebrow. Okay, time for the second coat. I'll be using this one from GRWM. Just want to make a bit fuller. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to do the lips. I'm going to use this red color from Etude House, the matte cheek lip lacquer. The color is says fresh grapefruit, but the color doesn't look like grapefruit though. It's really red because grapefruit isn't that red, but whatever. from the inside. And I believe these eyelashes are all dried. Yes. I'll be using gel liner from Benefit, their real push-up gel liner. And for the last, I'm going to give a bit of highlight on my eyes and high points of my face. So for the eyes, I'm going to use this color, this glittery color from Fenty Beauty. And the face highlight, I'll be using this NARS highlighter. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.